In this video, I'll show you how to log into Binance using a QR code. If you want to access your Binance account quickly, this guide will walk you through the simple steps. Whenever you need to log into Binance from your desktop or any device, using the QR code option is a great way to do it. To begin, open any browser you prefer. I'm using Google Chrome here, but you can choose another one or even use the Binance app directly if you prefer. Once the browser is open, click on the search bar at the top. Type in Binance.com and hit enter. This will take you to the official Binance website. Here, you'll have the option to log in or create a new account. If you're new, simply click on Sign up to register. But if you already have an account, just click the Login option to proceed to the login page. You'll see multiple login methods, including options for email, Google, Apple, or Telegram. Look for the QR code login icon and click on it. A QR code will appear on the screen. Next, grab your mobile device and open the Binance app. Within the app, you'll find an option to scan the QR code. Tap that option, then use your phone to scan the QR code on your screen. Alternatively, you can also scan it with your phone's camera. Once the QR code is scanned, you'll automatically be logged into your Binance account. Now you can start trading cryptocurrencies and enjoy the full benefits of Binance. That's all it takes to log in using a QR computer code. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.